Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, we got a little project we got. If you guys remember in some of my videos, this little section right here was a whole bunch of wood that was used from that tree that was cut down over there. The wood that was here has been transported to over there on the other side of the yard. I'll show you a picture up in the screen, top of the screen. But anyway, this area right here that used to be grass is now all dead because they had the wood sitting here, and I'm going to turn it back into grass, nice green grass. So what I got to do now is just clean it up a little bit, throw some fresh soil down, plant some seeds, and go from there. So the first thing we got to do is clean this up real good. Get all of this out of here, and then we'll put some fresh soil down. Put our grass down. We'll go from there. Show you what we got in here. Here's why I don't want to leave this stuff down here. Some kind of acorns or some kind of acorn from the tree, from the pine tree. These are real small. That's what this mostly is in this grass. That's what we got right there. So you can see if you can see that. That's what we're cleaning up. That's what we're cleaning up right now. Alright, so forgot the bag, so I'm gonna go get the bag. Next step is to put some soil down, even it out. But I'm probably going to do also is put some tenacity down. Put some tenacity down like a barrier. That'll be a barrier to keep the weeds from growing up once we get the seeds planted. Yeah, so that'll be our next step. Throw some soil, some nice fresh soil over it. So we'll put out those grass seeds there. Nice water. Watch the grass grow. So I think I'm gonna need about probably one more wheelbarrow full, maybe 3 total. We'll go grab another barrel. Let's do this tenacity real quick. The reason why I'm putting down tenacity again, top of the fresh soil, is just in case any weed seeds found its way into the soil from where I have it stored to here. So this way I know, and this way I almost guarantee I won't get no weeds growing up in here. Like I said, I'm going to let this sit for the rest of the day until tomorrow, the day after, I come out and put some seeds down. That's about it for today. Alright, so this is how it's looking so far. Like I said, I just put some fresh soil down, put some Tenacity on top of that, and I'm going to come back out here tomorrow or the day after and plant some fresh grass seeds, and we'll be good. So anyway, thanks for watching. Make sure you guys come back in a couple of days, check out the new video with the me putting the grass seeds down and making it look good. Alright, thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button, it helps me out. And please don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Steady gardening.